This machine can work with DTF printer with 2 heads or 4 heads or higher speed. It is easy to run it and saves labor cost. Length and heating zone, mesh belt to transit product, print and cut at the same time. Be easy to print sample. 6 heating element, S inside for drying product quickly. Multifunctional control panel. Lower heating. Upper heating. Power shaking area, adjustable speed. Powder box. Roller brush for helping powder evenly. The angle of table is adjustable. Exhausting exit, commonly run with external exhauster. Limited roller to the exit for film to make sure the film stay in the center. Double row cooling fans. Smart take-up system to ensure film can be taken up well. Now we show you how to place film.